Hi everybody, how are you? So as you can see that I took this trade this morning, it's volatility 10, it's V10. As you can see, it's trying to make a sell, that's why it's running back down. I was actually on a loss of $54, but now it's running back down, it's now on 10. So it will it's basically, if you see this small, almost looks like a cross, is because it's supporting and resisting. As you can see here, some of it is going back down and some of it is going back up. So basically, if I see when it's back into profit, I will close all the trades based on the candlestick, on the size of the candlestick. If I see that it's gonna trend like more basically come down where I put where I sold it, and it comes more down and it goes into profit and it's enough profit for me, I will actually close it. I see V75 is on a buy because it's at the bottom of the wick. V50, you can sell that. Okay, lowest lot. So I just want to show you all V75 has different lot sizes. So if you want to open V50 on, you won't be able to open it on 0.30. Also not even on 1. No, it actually opens on 3. You understand? So if you don't want to put any, so basically you're going to just go into profit on, because it's on a sell now, right? Just going to, and then I want to show you V12, V25, sorry, is also on a sell. So let's see the lot sizes for V12. Okay, so V12 you won't be able to open it. So let me see if it opens on a 1. So V12, okay, so V12's lot size is actually, your lowest lot is 0.50. Is 0.50. So if you put it on 0.49, you won't be able to place a trade on market execution. Okay, so this is when you place your order on a trade. So you have market execution and then you have pending order, which means you pend your order until a certain price, and then it will trigger your pending order, right? Sorry about that. So you can just close that. So if you go to so VIX 75, right? So the lowest lot for VIX 75 is 0.001. So the lowest lot. But as you can see, VIX 75 is like way bigger than the other VIXs. So you can't just, you won't be able to with a VIX V100, you will be able to like trade with $10. You can make like from $10 you can literally make like $50, but based on the how volatile V 100 is. So if it jumps a lot and out of control, it's advisable that you don't take a trade because it will jump your $10 account out of control. So it's you have to look at the volatility of a VIX. So I just want to show you, if I open VIX, this is VIX 75. So you can see that the here where it's jumping is like a bit confused, but it's not jumping out of control. So you can take a sell here on the lowest lot, even on 0.002, but not on a $10 account. If you want to make a quick buck, you can do a scalper entry. So you can do 0.001, and then once you're in profit, you tap out, right? You don't wait. So I just want to show you VIX. Okay, let's start from HF volatility 10. Let's see. So this one is support and resist. Support is confused, right? Can you see it jumps and it will go to the top, or it will go right to the bottom. So that is a bit of, you need to be cautious about that. You always need to watch the volatility of the, you can see HF 100 index as well. It's also stuck. Like when it does this, it means it's stuck and it's confused. So the volatility here, it's not that bad. It's not that volatile, but it is. See, it went down, and went up, and then it will actually come right down. So it's volatile, this one. Okay, so let's look at HA50. Okay, also it jumps. Can you see how it jumps? You need to see almost like a lifeline. Sorry, yeah, you have to see how, see, and then it will come right down. So you have to be cautious. You have to check all. Let's see, can you see V10? It's like right at the bottom, and as you can see, I'm in profit now, which means where I took my trade at the bottom. So I'm going to show you I'm in profit, right? Where I took my trade at the bottom here on a 1 hour time frame, it will keep running down now because it's trying to make a sell again. I just want to show you when I make this. Okay, can you see? It's making a sell and it's coming back where I entered the trade. It's coming back to where I entered it. So basically it hits where I entered. So I'm on profit. It's going back up. I'll close it when it comes back. Okay. So basically it's just a waiting game. You have to be patient. You have to watch what you're doing. Based on your account size, if you can wait a bit, like I can wait a bit for more profit, so I'm not that in a hurry to to close this trade, right? Because I have taken precaution. I did not take like a big lot size. I took the lowest lot size, which is, as you can see, which is 0.30 based on my account size. I just felt that I wanted to not be evasive and go on it. So after this, I'll close it. If the trend continues, then I will bump my lot size maybe to, I'll make like I'll make 9. I'll open 9 trades on a 40 and then 1 trade on a 50. So there'll be like a difference. So basically, it will, when I open it on a sell, it will go straight on a minus, depending on how I end. It will either go on a minus $1, and it will, like that was 9 trades on one, or it will go on a positive based on where you entered, right? And I'll do like 150. So if I open 0.50, will go on like 2, will be on 2 point, will be like either some minus or a positive profit. So all you have to do is be patient. You cannot like think it's like just you just enter. Some of my trades I do enter and it hits quickly to profit, but sometimes you have to just wait. Sometimes I'll walk away from the trade, and when I come back I'll be like on a loss, and then I just check the trend, whether it's gonna be downtrend, it makes a gap in the market. Eventually it will hit back your TP, but based on the trade you took and your lot size, it is imperative, because if your lot size is big and you don't have a lot of money in your account, VIX, any trade you open on a volatility index will either blow your account, it will either hit your your stop loss. If you did put a stop loss, which means that is the money you are prepared to lose, and then the take profit, if it hits your take profit, which means that is the money that you are prepared to, that is actually your profit that you'll be taking away from the trade. So you have to be cautious. If you're not psychologically prepared for it, unfortunately you won't be able to handle it. That's why it's imperative to use proper lot sizes, proper risk management. You need to be able to read the chart, see the trend, whether it's going uptrend, downtrend, and see where you've entered it and where it's gonna sell. You can see my trade is going back up, back down, back up, back down, but it's not a lot that I'm losing. You understand? So you need to be cautious once you're in profit. If you had $10 now in your account and you are minus $1, which means your equity will be like $8 and actually $7 and something. So you have to be cautious. You understand? So you see, then you'll be 6. It jumps like this. So basically you can't, sometimes on the V100 you can trade with with $10, but it's based on your account size and based on the volatility of that trade you took. So on Boom, I know that it spikes as well. So I just want to show you that some of like Boom index, which is let's see, chart window, right? So I just want to, let me take this one out to make space. Just put this one here. So Boom 1000 index, right? It spikes every, okay, so it's on a buy. So Boom spikes every 1000, like every 1000, like uh like steps. So I do see some people go from $8 to $3 on Boom, but Boom can spike from a positive to a negative, and then it can spike your account gone. So if you don't have a proper, the thing is, if you can at least have like $40, depends on your entry and the volatility. So Boom, sometimes you can see it's like so slow. Let me just show you Boom 1000. Can you see? Can you see this line here? So it means it can spike and then it can go back up. So it depends on your lot sizes. And Boom, lowest, okay, so the lowest lot is 0.20. Okay, so that's all for now that I wanted to show you. If you want to learn more, you can. My course is still 1,000 Rand. I have students, they are currently busy. It's my one student, she's still busy with her first phase, and I'm waiting for her to complete so that I can send her the next PDF, which consists of a trading plan and how to calculate risk management. And then after that, she has 4 steps to complete. So as I told her and anybody that takes the course, I can't just teach you what I know, because it took a lot of time. As I said again, 20 books, 3 courses, still doing more courses. It's just a continuous learning, and you need to be patient. And once you get it, you will never go back. Once you understand trend, how to read candlesticks, and I'm not using any systems, any indicators, nothing. It's just I read the charts because I understand how to read a chart. I know when it's downtrend, uptrend. I know when it's a buy, when it's a sell, when it's at the bottom of the week. Sometimes I do take dumb trades, but it doesn't outweigh my profits, you understand? So your losses must never outweigh